To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by using the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com to open your Kindle as shown. Carefully disconnect the original battery. Use the special tool provided in your kit to gently detach the tape located beneath the sides of the original battery. Pry out the original battery. Place the strip of double-sided tape provided in your kit from newpower99.com into the battery compartment. Connect your new extended life battery from newpower99.com and place it in the battery compartment. Replace the back cover. Snap your Kindle shut. Turn on your Kindle with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Kindle should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.